Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Muji, and it's been quite a long time I haven't made a video, but today I have a special guest with me. We are going to host an AMA with the developer of the JunoCoin. And before that, before asking the questions, let me tell you guys, subscribe to my channel. As you can see it right now in front of your screen, the Crypto Muji. This is my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also subscribe to me follow me on the Twitter as well, and get the latest updates regarding the crypto. So we're gonna start the proceedings. The JunoCoin is going to be launched on the Pinksale.finance, and all of you guys must know that the Pinksale.finance is a launch pad, where you see the crypto startups and all that stuff. So usually you see the KYCs and the doxes and all that stuff. So today we have with us the developer of the JunoCoin, Vidit Sajjad, with us. Hello Vidit, how are you, man?
I'm good. I'm perfectly fine, man. And thank you so much for the introduction. Actually, I'm honored to be on such a vast platform of yours. And what about you? How are things going at the other end?
Yeah, I'm fine, man. I'm fine. It's been an honor for me as well to host an AMA with you, with a developer. And I always love talking to the developers because in exchange, I get the ideas, how things goes, how they, project their crypto startups. So I'm gonna start the day off by asking about the Juno token. As you can, guys, as you can see right now in front of the screen, this is the website JunoCoin.xyz. All the links would be provided under the description of this video. Make sure to join the Telegram channel as well. The website is clear and very professional. You can see that designing is absolutely top notch. The dev told me that the team is working absolutely. We're going to ask about the team as well later on, but first, every project has an idea, has a concept behind. So with it, start the proceedings, sorry. I'm going to ask about the idea. What was the idea behind this Juno token? Could you please tell my audience?
Yeah, exactly. Everything has, logical ideology behind something they are launching into the market.
Yeah.
So actually, the inspiration behind Juno Coin stems from the Roman goddess of wealth, Juno Moneta. I mean,
Okay.
who was historically associated with financial.
Sorry to cut you off.
Who?
You said Juno Moneta,
Yeah, Juno Moneta,
the Roman goddess. Okay.
the Roman goddess, and
Okay.
who was historically associated with financial prosperity.
Okay.
So
That's cool, man.
we wanted to channel the spirit of abundance and prosperity that Juno represented
Okay.
into the cryptocurrency realm. So
Great.
offering a unique and memorable experience for our community.
Wow, man, that's a unique project. That's a unique inspiration you got, man, from the Roman goddess. You said
Yeah, Roman.
Juno Moneta. Could you tell
Yes.
who is she? Who is Juno Moneta and how she is relevant to the crypto landscape? Although you said that historically associated with financial prosperity, but how? Could you please tell us?
Yeah, actually, it's like she's the original crypto influencer, I would say.
Okay,
She
got it.
yeah.
Okay,
So
continue.
she oversaw finance and wealth back in ancient Rome,
Okay.
and now we are channeling her vibes into the digital realm. I mean, with
Okay, that's cool.
Juno by our side, we are ready to rock the crypto world and bring prosperity to all holders.
That's great, guys. That's great. Guys, listening, if you are listening right now, just like this video, subscribe to my channel as well, as we are having an AMA with Sajjad, the developer of the JunoCoin. So moving on, Sajjad, I'm gonna ask about the pre-sale. Could you please tell us about the JunoCoin's pre-sale? Please tell us.
Yeah, surely. The Juno coin pre-sale, it's like a crypto fiesta. We
Okay.
have discounted rates and exclusive bonuses in the form of affiliate referral rewards and a limited time offer that has people refreshing their browser more than, like, you could say, blockchain.
Okay,
And it
great.
will be a wild ride, and those early supporters will get a front row seat to the Juno revolution.
That's great. You said early that you're gonna give the exclusive bonuses in the form of affiliate. That's good. Usually these days, Pinksale is offering, affiliate rewards up to, I think, 5% or 10%, something like that. And that's a good initiative,
Yeah,
for
actually,
Pinksale. this can bring
Yes,
a lot of people to the project when when they heard that they have affiliate. When they bring in more people, they're gonna get the rewards in the form of affiliate. So that's amazing. That's amazing concept. So moving on,
yeah,
every project, as you know, I've been working as an assistant dev. I have worked as a dev as well, and I know I have
that's
a
great.
team.
That's
I
great.
have a team to work with, and it's very tough to handle. Sometimes inexperienced team, sometimes we got some experienced customer, team as well. So being a team leader, how would you rank yourself? That tell us about your team's background. How many people are there, or what are their background, their expertise in this project? Could you please tell us?
Yeah, actually, I would say that we are a bunch of misfits
Oh, okay.
brought to brought together by our shared love for crypto
Okay, that's
and a
good.
weird obsession with ancient mythology. So
Okay,
we have
got it.
got tech wizard, finance gurus, marketing
Okay,
magicians, and
okay,
even a
that's great.
self-proclaimed meme expert. They insist it's a real job. So we are like
Okay,
the you can say Avengers of the crypto world,
okay,
ready to save
Avengers.
the day. And yeah, you want to say something?
That's a big word you said, man. Avengers are here to save the world. Definitely, that's a great.
Yeah, actually.
So
So and bring financial awesomeness to everyone.
that's great, man. You got a good misfits of the team. You said the tech wizards, financial gurus, and marketers. They are the backbones of the project. So that's good, man.
Yeah, actually,
You
they
got
are.
you
They are
got a
working actually very hard. Behind the curtains, it's all their efforts, and
okay.
I really appreciate them.
That's great, man. That's great. Now moving on, guys. I know, as a dev, I'm being a YouTuber. People don't like to watch long videos, so I would be quick. So let's start with the next question. I've got 90%. Yeah, I wrote it down. And could you please elaborate about the JunoCoin's tokenomics and the reason behind allocating 90% of the total supply towards the liquidity? Could you please enlighten us about that 90% supply? Why 90% supply?
So you're asking why allocate 90% of the
Yeah.
total supply
Yeah.
to
What's the
liquidity
reason?
provision?
What's the reason behind?
Well, we wanted to make sure there's enough juice in the trading game.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like
good.
pouring extra milk into your cereal bowl.
Okay,
So
that's good.
you don't want it to be dry and bland. I mean, by pumping up the liquidity, we are creating a smooth and blessed trading experience for all the hungry crypto enthusiasts out there.
Okay, that's great. So the 90% supply, that's good. The more liquidity you're gonna provide, it's good for the project, a healthy project, I would say. So that's a good.
Yeah, exactly.
And also, these days there's a lot of meme coins, circulating in the Twitter and Telegram and crypto world, I would say. And these are 0 by 0 tokens, as we know. So I saw that you guys are implementing 2% token on your, 2% tax. Sorry, guys, 2% tax on your token. What's the reason behind implementing 2% tax on your token?
The sole reason behind it is we use that tax to beef up the treasury wallet to keep the party going and support some
Okay.
sweet initiative like marketing and development. It's like paying a tribute charge to enter the JunoCoin party.
Okay, that's good. At least you got text, man. I appreciate that because, when I was a dev, I hate, implementing, launching a token without any text because it causes some sort of, scammy or all that stuff. You know that, backdoors,
Yeah, actually, I'm well aware of the
devs have
pros and
wallets
cons.
and all that stuff. But when you have the text imposed, people can trust on you. But good luck for your project. And moving on, in
Yes, sir.
community, I'm going to talk about the community engagement. It's very important for the project to have a strong community and active one. It boosts your activity level and the token buying and selling and the volume. So could you please tell us what measures have you been taking, to foster the community engagement and the governance with the JunoCoin ecosystem? Could you please tell us that?
Yeah, we have actually got social media channels filled with memes, gifs,
Okay.
and more crypto jokes than you can shake a digital wallet at.
Oh, that's great, man.
We love hearing from our community. I mean, getting feedbacks and having a good laugh together. After
Okay.
all, what's the crypto journey? I mean, what's a crypto journey without some fun and a strong community to share it with?
Yeah, that's a very good thing, and that's a very good thing. So moving on, guys, we got very limited time left. I'm gonna be very quick. What are the strategies and the plans to ensure the long-term sustainability of the Juno as a meme token? Because meme tokens die out very quickly, so you need to have some backup plans and strategies. Please tell us about that as well.
Yeah, my friend, we have got big plans. I mean, we are building partnerships, plotting marketing strategies that could rival a blockbuster movie launch, and constantly brainstorming ways to make JunoCoin the most epic meme token of all the time. So
Okay.
we have paid for a fast track listing on CMC and CG, and we
Okay.
are in contact with Bitmart, BitGet, and Maxi for listing our token. If we achieve like 250 Ethereum in the fair launch, we can confirm two exchange listings simultaneously. I mean, with our
Okay.
Uniswap listing. So
Okay.
stick with us, buckle up, and get ready for the JunoCoin roller coaster ride of awesomeness.
That's great, man. Good luck for your token. And last but not the
Thank
least,
you, man.
being a viewer, being an investor, what would you like to say? I'm an investor. Tell me something. Why would I buy your token? Or what would you tell me? What should I expect from you?
I mean, you guys are like the fuel to our rocket ship.
Oh,
So we couldn't
that's
launch
great.
a JunoCoin without your support, and we are actually thrilled to have you on board.
Okay.
We promise not to sit you through boring meetings or wear stuffy suits. We are all about making crypto fun and exciting. That's
Oh,
all I've got to say to investors.
thanks, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. We got a very short time left. Absolutely amazing amen, guys. And well, there you have it, folks. We had truly engaging and amazing session with Eid Sajjad, the developer of the Juno coin. And with Eid, thank you so much for taking the time to share your knowledge and experience with us. Your insights into the Juno coin was amazing. And to all our viewers, I hope that you must have got some deeper understanding of the Juno coin. What is it? And how much supply they're going to provide, what is the tax ratio, and they're soon going to be listed on the, they're going to launch on the Pinksale. So stay tuned for more information on my channel, guys, Cryptomoji, and this would be a huge opportunity for you guys. And to stay curious, tune into my channel, and thank you again, Vadid. Have a good day. And
It's a pleasure. I'm gratified. I'm gratified. Thank you so much.
okay.
And I would see you in the near future. And something I would say to the audience:
Yeah,
don't
sure.
miss out. Don't miss out this opportunity and join us on the pre-sale if you want to make a fortune.
That's great, guys. Ape the Juno coin, guys. Heard it from the developer Vadid Sajjad. So until next time, this is Cryptomoji signing off. Thank you. Take care. Bye.